What is pollution? Contamination of air, water, land, or environment due to harmful substances is called as pollution. These harmful substances are called as pollutants. Pollutants are the agents of pollution. Kinds of pollution. There are basically four kinds of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, soil or land pollution, and noise pollution. Air pollution is the most prevalent form of pollution and it is very dangerous. It occurs due to burning of fuels in houses, factories, and smoke coming out from vehicles. The smoke coming out from the factories, chimneys, vehicles, or burning of wood releases sulfur dioxide into the air, making it toxic. This increases the levels of carbon dioxide in the air, resulting in global warming. Some of the disastrous consequences are increased temperatures, erratic rains, and droughts worldwide. Water pollution. Wastes from our homes and factories are dumped into the rivers, lakes, and seas, causing water pollution. Spraying of insecticides and pesticides like DDT on plants also pollutes groundwater system. The oil spills in the oceans have caused the irreparable damage to the water bodies. Eutrophication is another big source of water pollution, which is nothing but the daily activities like washing clothes, utensils near ponds, pools, lakes, and rivers. Eutrophication involves the blocking of sunlight from penetrating into the water bodies and thus reducing the level of oxygen in the water and making it inhabitable. Water pollution not only harms the aquatic animals but also affects human beings. The polluted water causes many diseases like cholera, diarrhea, etc. The wastes are often thrown or buried in the land, causing soil pollution. Excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides also cause soil pollution. Release of industrial wastes, mining, and deforestation are some of the factors that are responsible for soil pollution. Soil pollution makes the soil infertile and unfit for the plants to grow. Since plants can't grow properly in such soil, they can't hold the soil and this leads to soil erosion. Noise pollution. The loud or unpleasant noise in the atmosphere is called as sound or noise pollution. It affects our ears and leads to various psychological problems like stress, hypertension, hearing impairment, etc. It is caused by machines in industries, loud music, etc.